Dr. Mark Changizi here with your Science Moment. Why is it good to exercise? Now, people often focus on several different things, but they miss a key point about exercise, that it helps your skin appear young. Not just taut, right? But actually young. All right, let me just walk through this for a moment, and it's a little surprising to some people, I think, and people don't have a good intuition about this. Now, of course, if you keep doing exercise, of course, you're going to be, strong, right? You get bigger muscles, you're going to be firm, you're going to have potentially good cardio, that's great. You're going to have better ability to just do everyday movements or be limber and keep up with the young people. All of this stuff is true, right? I can just do, handstand walks down this garage if I needed to, because I'm constantly doing hard exercise. But there's a thing that may surprise you, and that's just the nature and the beauty and the youthfulness of your skin alone is kept young. It's kept young by virtue of doing hard exercise, difficult, constant exercise. Why would that be, right? Now, the reason I have something to say about this, or that I'm in somewhat of an interesting position to talk about this, is because back in 2006, I have a seminal discovery in the sciences about why we primates have red-green vision. The other animals don't have red-green vision. They just have yellow-blue as one dimension and grayscale as the other. But we primates, some of us, have this third dimension. And for 100 years, they thought it had something to do with finding fruits in the forest, or maybe leaves, sort of fresh young leaves versus older leaves. It has nothing to do with that. And I was able to argue it is a peculiar kind of color vision, and it's exactly the peculiarity that you need to see blood under the skin, to see the oxygenation modulations of hemoglobin in particular under the skin. Not per se because we care about what the blood's like, but by virtue of seeing these blood states under the skin, you can read emotions, you can read health, you can read states, and in particular, one special case is that you can just see the youth. You see the glow of youth. The glow of youth, when people talk about the glow of youth, you're seeing the oxygenated blood under the skin. And it glows because their skin is young, it's highly perfused. And you can see all of that glowing oxygenated blood. And you can see all that glowing oxygenated blood. It really does seem to glow, right? And it's this particular red-green sense optimized for seeing oxygenated skin that allows, paramedics and nurses to see veins, that's deoxygenated parts. Those variations, this is what our technology of optics further optimizes that. So the key to youthful skin is to be highly perfused, to have great capillaries, great growth of capillaries that receive lots of oxygenated blood. And the more that you continue to do exercise, the more those capillaries are constantly perfusing in all parts of your body, including your skin. Right? That is one of the keys to staying looking young. It's not all these cosmetics that you put over your face, something we've talked about in previous science moments, that in fact cover up that very glow of youth. It's in fact doing the hard work to do exercise to build out those massive capillary networks that show the glow of youth, which is really your oxygenated blood under your skin, that your eyes and color vision have evolved to see, and that was your science moment. If you're interested in these kinds of vision-related things, take a look at my old bestseller, second book, Vision Revolution. Get it at bookstores near you.